muna, Calix. Relax lang. Ayan na. Relax. Okay. Go. Calix, sagad. Sagad. Cross, cross. Kay Calix.
Ay, shucks, sayang. Nice keeper, thank you. Ano name mo? Ethan, good job oh, ang dami mong save. Galing-galing mo. Narinig mo ba yung cheer namin? Galing mo.
Tutok mo na sa goal.
It's okay. Basta hindi naka-goal sa'yo.
Sigma, pressure! Pressure nyo! Guys, pressure! Kuha, kuha, kuha! Nice! Asa, taka, tak! Oh my goodness!
Ay!
Alex, kanya! Kuha ka ng space, parang extra pa sa'yo. Huwag ka lumapit sa kanya. Goal na yun.
Hoy! Sigma, open up! Open up kayo!
Ba't nalayo ka? Kasi parang extra pa sa'yo.
Kuha nyo, kuha nyo! Ah, good try! Balik! Balik! Nandun yan! Nice one! Kuha nyo, dali, dali! Shot! Okay, good try! Shot! Shot!
Ay!
Ulit!
Ay! Ay! Ay!
Wala siya!
Ay! Shucks! Handball!
Under 9 category,
Wala
would like to call the following teams.
Di ba handball yun?
Lingap, Marinos, and 1-7 FC.
Silang usipag na.
Once again, we are going to proceed with the awarding for the under 9 category. Would like to call the following teams: Vanguard FC, Lingap
Go, Kai.
FC, Marinos FC, and 1-7 FC.
Yun! Woo! Good job, Hans!
Araw-araw sipag lang!
Keeper, keeper. Kuha, kuha. Oh, kuha, rep. Di na touch.
Hoy, hindi na touch, rep!
Ay, rep. Hindi pa lumabas, rep.
Hindi pa lumalabas.
Ay, rep, nag-bound sa ulo.
Hindi naman nag-touch eh!
Keeper. Inside.
Advantage!
Hands lang. Ay, hands. Rep, rep, hands, rep.
It's a... Nice!
Let's have a roll call. Is Vanguard FC there? Ayun na po. Lingap,
Titik na.
Marinos, and 1-7.
Nice. Balik sa gitna. Bigay, bigay. Hands.
Nice!
Yes! Good job, guys! Good job, Sigma! Oh my... Gusto na.
Ay! Calix!
Okay lang
For the
yan.
third runner-up, for the U9 category, congratulations, Vanguard FC!
Nice work, man! Party man! Dito, si Rafa! Si Rafa, oh! 30! Ayun open. Long kick. Kuha, guys. Alright.
Go, Alex! Bakit ba magkatabi kayo?
Congratulations again, Vanguard FC. Good job, players. And for our second runner-up, congratulations, Lingap FC.
Let's go.
5 minutes pa lang.
Nice.
Turn.
Good.
Bigay. Nice.
Good.
After we call our champion to not leave yet because we
Ay!
are going to award
Magkasa sa'yo, touch
the
forward.
5 best
Iset mo na sa
players
isang
for
tag.
this
Huwag
category.
mo i-slow down. Advantage ka na doon. Pag i-slow down mo yun, paano mo? Mapapalo. Nakapwesto na yung kalaban. Recover. Kaya doon ha? Magpasa sa'yo, touch forward, set mo, tapos palo na. Ha? Relax lang. Relax. Shadow.
Congratulations, Lingap Football Club. Job well done. And now to proceed
Wide na!
for our next awardee. Let us call on the first runner-up, Marinas Football Club.
Wait! Miguel, lapit ka muna.
Go, Ellie! Nice!
Gol! Saan?
Ano nangyari?
Dito ko lang.
8 minutes na.
Alex!
And now, for the champion for U9 category, congratulations!
Ay! Chase! Pati mo nilakasan!
Kairos, pahinga, Kairos!
Huwag ka magpakapagod, ha? Okay?
Congratulations again to the coaches and parents, the admins, and all the supporters of our players for today.
Other side!
Aside from the medals and the trophy, our kids
Ay! Lan!
from 10 plus.
Ang dami mong chance nun.
Good. Jack!
Wala!
Good.
Halo!
5 minutes pa.
Yan, pag may chance ka kasi mag-dribble, huwag magmadali. Kaya nga, ang lakas-lakas mo. Gusto mo yung gumol, di ba? Huwag magmadali. O yan, control.
And we are now going to award
O, Lance!
five best player for this game.
Eh, na-goal. Ay! Wala ka na-goal pa eh.
Eh, drop ba? Logan! Drop! Tingnan mo, 2 beses ha. Calix, pahinga.
Ayan, sige. Let's give them a little more time to savor the moment. Congratulations for the parents and coaches. There you go. And now for our special award, the player will receive a medal and another gift pack from Nutri10 Plus. Medyo mahirap atang banggitin yung mga pangalan ng players natin ngayon.
Madali.
And the best goalkeeper,
Chok, huwag ka umatras. Kita ka eh.
Sebastian.
Eman Obrero!
Chok, huwag ka umatras. Salubungin mo yung bola.
Congratulations sa ating mga buwis buhay save.
Eli.
And then for our best midfielder,
Push!
congratulations Hina!
Lance!
Yan.
Oh, ang
So
laki ng
congratulations still to every kids. You did well for the day.
Pag walang tao, ano ang dribble? Baliktad ka.
And next, ayan, sige, picture muna tayo. Next would be the best
Lance, open na.
Sino ang sinasabi ninyo?
Eh,
The best defender goes to Miro Mantare!
Control.
Dolan.
Hold down.
Shoot!
Ay!
Ay!
Oh, dapat ganda yung music ko. So,
Ano na to ah? Puro 2015 lahat to, no?
ulitin
Puro
na natin
2015
muna.
lahat. Puro
Kasi
2015.
double jump na ako, no?
Oo.
DJ na MC pa.
2015, 2016 pala to.
Nawala pala yung mood. Okay, we have last two award for today. Our Golden Boot Award. The player who was able to get the highest score. Congratulations!
Dribble.
Takigan!
Walang kalaban eh. Lance, dito na. Down na. Freeze. Dapat. Ito.
And our last award for today, the most valuable player for the under-9 category.
Chase, go!
Congratulations!
Go! Chok! Gumana ka! Ay! Shit! Kulang ng power, Prince.
Congratulations again for the U9 parents, coaches, and admins. Thank you so much for your trust. This event will not be possible without
Yun!
you.
Nice!
We'll see you all sa susunod po natin. That's gonna be on
14,
December
10, 10
3. Ay,
seconds.
13 pala, sorry. Ayan, pauna na. Pamark na po sa calendar natin. December 13 will be our next tournament. We hope to see you all again.
guys.